Avago, double blue buy just now on Avago. Look at this Avago. Look at this Avago, double blue buy on the 5. Beautiful pattern here. Oh my God, Avago just ripped the dollar. Look at the double blue buy. Tesla, I would wait Tesla to buy on the 15-minute time frame here. Oh my God, what a bull flag here on Tesla. I probably would wait to buy Tesla on the 15s if they get oversold. Let me see what the... Oh my God. This Tesla, I think if this Tesla gets between the 1730 and the 2030, I'd be buying it here. Or if you don't want to miss it, you can go 17.5 to 20.5 Tesla. I think the 15s are going to sit up. I like to see the 15s pulling a little bit more here. What the hell are these noises? I can't take it. Anthony, my heart. Unbelievable. What a short on this Tesla up there. You guys got to use stops. You up and running?
Yeah.
Buy some Tesla here for me. Come on, let's go. Get in there. Buy some Tesla at 2010. 32010. Not yet. Buy Tesla at 20.
2020, right? Or
Yeah.
just one?
Kmart does suck. Right, Anthony?
Here's
What is this?
just for this election.
Oh my God. Cancel the Tesla. I hope you guys are covering shorts on this Tesla. S&P's new highs. I'm exhausted.
You're live.
I'm with my live on what?
Oh, Instagram. The normal TikTok.
Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Stephen Kalajian. Welcome to our live community here. Every single day I stream from 9 to 4. I welcome everybody here on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, let's see here. Tesla, okay. Are my speakers off? I think they might be. Sure. Okay, they're on now. All right, hey, welcome everybody. We have the S&P futures up 22. Some really great patterns. S&P futures reverse to buy here on the 15-minute time frame. The spiders are still bullish on my algorithms on the 15, 30, and hourly. This is a great long right here on the 15. And then you buy this pullback right here. Beautiful pullback below 10 and 11, and we just never look back. Now we do have some big sell divergences here on the new highs. You can see the push up to 24, but these MACDs are non-confirming here on the 30-minute time frame. The MACDs are non-confirming, okay, and if you look at the 60-minute time frame, you're definitely. I would take a short here on the S&Ps if they get up to 25.5 to 30.5 range. Okay, the Nasdaq is struggling here. Microsoft up, up another 3, just never goes down. If you're long the Tesla, let's see if you can look to scale out any longs in Tesla between now between the 220.70 and the 221.50. All right, you guys got to maintain stop orders. Okay, guys got to. Okay, all right. Good afternoon, everybody. All right, it was a great morning today. Palantir, Avago, Nvidia, some really great trades here this morning. Okay. Just singles and doubles, just hitting them out every day, trying to make hit your goal. If you're trading index futures, you try to make, if you're trading your own money or a prop account, we have so many traders from all around looking to trade. Many different props. I can't hear Billy, by the way. I don't know.
Can you turn your speakers up maybe? There you go.
And then basically, what a lot of people who trade prop accounts normally have their, the master account plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know people with 10 and 14. You make $300 a day on 10 accounts. Well, it's $3,000, and you really shouldn't be blowing up with my methodology. You really shouldn't be blowing up here at all. Okay, this is too confusing what you're doing here.
I'm not doing this, it's Billy.
Okay. All right.
Can you hear me now, Steve?
Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so everyone tuning in on social, welcome to the Friday Live. We're trading here. Steve is trading with the community right now. So he's not really going to be able to answer any of the questions during the session. But if you've got anything you'd like to ask, you could, put it in the comments on YouTube or Instagram. We'll try to get to it. Or better yet, just join us on Discord through sktrading.live.
Okay. Why so many indicators? That's the way I have my system set up here. Buy some Tesla here. 90 to 219.90. MACDs are negative. Got him. Okay. James Vaughn, I hope you guys are covering shorts here on the Tesla. Social media even. I'm more of a short seller than anything here. These 15 should turn up here. Hoo-wah! Hoo-wah! All right, let's see here. I would listen. There's no what's the worst case scenario. You don't like what I do, then you just cancel. But I think you're gonna like what I teach, my methodology, and the way I approach the markets based upon my methodology. Thank God. Okay, buy some Tesla here at 75, please, below the market. All right, Palantir. Oh my God, Avago. Everything just came to a halt here.
So what's that you have up? Al Pacino from Scent of a Woman doing that?
What? Can I work for you? What do you mean, scent of a woman? What do you mean?
Is that the sound effect?
No, it's a gunshot, like that.
Yeah, but then when it goes hoo-ah, this is that Al Pacino from Scent of a Woman?
Maybe. If you're long this Tesla, the 15s are going to turn out. There's a beautiful bull flag on Tesla setting up here. Let's go. That's my line. All right. Also, I have a podcast every single day on my YouTube channel, The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly. I go over a lot of great patterns on that as well. Whether you're trading crypto, Bitcoin, it doesn't make a difference here. Anybody new, you can use a Welcome 10. Is that capital? Welcome 10? Welcome 10 to sktrading.live. You get 10% off. That includes our beginner's course, live trading replays, strategies, breakdowns, and more. Help you build a strong foundation to the world of trading. Okay? All right. Let's see here. What else we're doing here now? Who else is here? Can you teach technical? There's not just one. There's not just one technical indicator. Okay, there's not just one. You have to use everything I use here is based upon using 3. You can't just use one. Everything's based upon using multiple indicators. Indicators 1, 3, and 4 I use 85% of the time, and indicators 1, 2, 3, 4 I use 15% of the time. All right. Go down to 65 on my Tesla. Oh my God, what a drop in this Tesla. Please do candlesticks? I do not. Sorry. Hey, Steven, you recommended trading options contracts. I do like options contracts only on bigger time frames like 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames. I don't like trading intraday using that. I don't. Sorry, I just don't like it. Go to 70 on the Tesla. There goes the fucking. Look at this Tesla go right back up here. If you're long, you should make a lower high here on Tesla. 15s are going to get another pump. All right. Let's see here. Qs cannot get going here. NASDAQ cannot get going here. Cancel the Tesla. I hope Michael Sweeney and James Vaughn, I hope this taught you a lesson. Okay? Short some of this, where am I here? All right. Okay. NASDAQ, you're long. I like the long here in NASDAQ. I do. But I think you're going to make a lower high. I want to wait till they get to 15. I don't use candlesticks. Okay? I do not. Okay? I do not use candlesticks. Buy some Tesla here at 55. Somebody ring the bell. Someone ring the bell tonight, Sugar Bear. All right, cancel the Tesla. Keep missing it.
You didn't bring your bell with you?
What?
You said a little bell on your desk. You didn't bring it with you?
The bell? What do you mean the bell?
You just have the little
Ding? That bell?
Yeah.
I don't know where it is.
Hold on.
That was for Stacy.
Oh, okay. That is true.
Ding! All right. Oh my God. Time frame, your favorite execution? I love 9:30 to 11:30. Today's trading on a Friday, dead, mort, finished. Buy some Tesla at 50, 319.50. La, la, la.
I mean, yeah, S&Ps are just kind of going sideways right now.
Yeah. All I care is I get the under-over right now. I bet the 64.28 level is not going to break. Bought it. Tesla down 4 off the high. 15s are going to set up here. It's also 65. Billy, there's a little arrow blocking the answer. I can't see what they're saying. Do you know what they're saying?
Blocking what? This?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that
There's
is.
a little arrow there. So Tesla at 50.
I don't know, that's just a little weird. Yeah, you want that kind of down here a little bit, but you can't have it there because then you're going to miss the main chat. I can move this up a little more. Let's see. No, don't do that.
This Tesla's acting sick. Yeah, I don't do Forex in the live stream, but I teach Forex. I do index futures, commodity futures. That's why you want to short the gold. Index futures, commodity futures, stocks, ETF, crypto. And I do options based upon longer time frames, and basically buy some Tesla here at 319.10. And then this Tesla, what a bull flag. I'm hoping we get one more pushed down. I come from a middle class family. I don't even know how to trade properly. I've watched many different courses and tried hard. I managed to save and earn $50, but unfortunately, I understand it's then you can start learning how to trade futures using prop. What should we expect from Bitcoin and gold in the coming weeks? I'm bullish on gold. I'm bearish on Bitcoin. What a short on that Tesla. I had 97, 98 overbought readings up there. Did I buy Tesla at 10?
No, I didn't get it yet. There you go.
Sell at 25. Sell at 30. Just sell it. 40. That's it. That's it. When I say sell it, you just sell it. Right? Boom.
I don't
Buy it again at 05. Buy again at 05. The strategies are based upon 3 time frames, 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames of intraday trading, and basically using my indicator 4, which is my own algorithm, and basically helps me identify market direction. So right now, Tesla is bullish here on both the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame. This is a beautiful bull flag setting up here in Tesla. So this is probably a strategy. If you're going to trade options, I'd be looking at options on Tesla for another push up here. These 15-minute time frames, the strategy is oversold into these positive MACDs, big buying pressure. I think Tesla's going to go up here. Don't know if it's going to test the highs, but I think Tesla's going to go up based upon this strategy. Nasdaq, probably look to buy the Nasdaq anywhere between the 23,440 and 23,400 and 23,440. Bought Tesla?
not yet. Didn't get there.
Just hit 05.
Not you.
So basically it's just learning how to use multiple time frames using my indicators. And again, price leads, indicators lag. And so basically what you want to...
There you go.
All right, sell it at, oh my God, here we go. Sell it at 15. And then basically what you want to do is you want to be able to identify the strategy in a way. Sell this thing at 05. I don't like it. Kmart does suck. No, just don't want to be on it. I'm more of a short seller on this thing eventually long term. There it goes. So basically the way I look at the market is based upon, again, 3 time frames. Am I using my algorithm, indicator 4? Okay, SK Indian Trader, how are you? All right. Oh my God, Tesla's down over 4 points. Any tips for you, Prince? Is that Prince? Is it the guy I spoke to? Prince? Buy some Tesla here at 1870. Bitcoin right now,
Phil?
still at 85. Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin right now, I would say Bitcoin right now, I am in a sell disconnect. Bitcoin. Wait, this Tesla, where's this Tesla going here? Hooah! Tesla just trading in and out.
Yeah, for any new users,
Buy some Tesla at
you know,
35.
use the code welcome10 at checkout.
Yeah, Billy, is that
on
capital?
SKTrading.live.
Billy, is that capital?
I don't think it matters, but if you know, we could check it. It could be all uppercase welcome, WELCOME,
I'm just asking.
all
That's
uppercase
why.
10. I don't think it needs. I don't think it's case
Sell some at
sensitive.
50.
But you could use that code at checkout for 10% off on all plans at
I'm just selling at
SKTrading.live.
45. I don't like
That's
this
open
shit.
for new users. And that includes, you know, beginner course, live trading replays, you know, the strategy breakdown, all the
Sell
stuff
at
we have,
40. I don't like
educational content.
this.
So
45.
if you
Sell
want to
it.
learn and you like what you're watching,
Sell it.
come join us.
Tesla's on a nosedive, down 5. S&Ps, did they ever get up to 25 and a half? No, it's not algo trading. It's my methodology here. Oh, S&Ps missed it by a quarter. Come on, man. All right, I would cancel the S&Ps. Short. Hey, man. What's up? Look at this Tesla nosedive. All right, the 15s are getting the. Buy some Tesla here at 1780. Oh my God, it's a nosedive. Look at this Tesla. Bad earnings. What the hell are they thinking here? Buy Tesla 1790, cans 80. Actually, go 85 on the Tesla. 1785.
Yes, welcome 10. That was the question.
Yeah. Come on, Tesla. Tesla's got it. Look, the 15. Look at this bull flag in Tesla. Where am I buying this Tesla?
Buying 85.
Microsoft. This Microsoft never goes down. I want to kill myself. This Microsoft's up about almost 290 points. what is it? 364, 464, 560. Yeah, Microsoft's about almost 260. Hey, Mojo Vincent, how are you? Mojo Vincent. What is that?
Tesla.
What price?
85. 1785.
Slum at 05. Bingo!
Why does he keep doing that?
Buy some more at 80. What is that?
Tesla.
Remi-
80.
Okay, Slum at 95. Where am I long? 70 or 80?
80 on this one.
Slum at 80. This stock's down $6. I hate this stock. He's got terrible earnings, and I'm 15s. Let's get out 80.
Yeah.
I think I went to the well too many times on this one.
Maybe.
What's app number? Send me. Buy more at 1680. Piece of garbage. Yeah, I've been short Tesla all morning, and then of course it drops drops $7 here. S&P is right back up. NASDAQ, if you're long the NASDAQ, you get another push up here on the NASDAQ. Can you believe this Tesla? I don't know. Billy, what's the symbol for how do I get XAU on this trade station? Do you know?
XAU?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me see.
Sold Tesla?
I mean, that's just
We got
it
How do
should
I-
just be
Isn't it?
XAU USD.
Kmart
I
does.
typed it right. USD. No.
What's the symbol for? Everybody's asking me for XAU.
I think that in the Asian markets, it's all they can trade.
That's gold. That's the gold dollar cross, right? What do you have?
Yeah.
I'll figure it out for you. Give me a second. I'll figure it out on my charts.
Boom, Tesla. There you go, baby. This rally $1.50. Come on. The 15-minute time frames are going to turn up. Oh, we got to get rid of shorts. Let's see here. Look at this Microsoft. Oh my God, this Microsoft. Shorts from Microsoft at 515 and 515.30, 515.60. Microsoft.
Short Microsoft 515.
Okay, where are you offering at 30?
30's
Go to 25. Go 25, 50, and 675. Here we go. Look at my Kmart does suck. Okay, S&Ps. Shorts from spiders here at 637, 15, and 35. This market is freaking relentless. Tesla just ran $1.60. S&Ps, I'll be short 25 and a half up to 30 and a half. 31 and a half. Use a 33 and a half stop. Guy with the leaf blowers here, you got to be kidding me. Really? What is it with me? What? Please help me. How about you help?
Talking to somebody else now.
Cover Tesla at 90. I mean, Microsoft. Billy, can we get a brief summary on your model? Yeah. So my model is based upon using my own predictive analytics. I spent nearly 10 years of my life building it. It gives me the ability to see market direction, whether you're short-term trading, intermediate, or long-term. Everything's based upon mathematics to help me identify market direction. When you're trading futures markets, it's imperative during the US session to use the underlying ETFs because the math is completely different between the continuous contract and the underlying ETF. What is that? Microsoft.
Yeah.
What's my average?
Your average is 13, 15, 13.
All right, so more at 45. Where's this Microsoft going? Cover some at 13 and 13 and 03. Get the bits. So basically, oh my God, we gotta have Mike change that. Can you believe this Palantir traded above 160 here? All right, so if you're trading futures, okay, whether you trade, look at the NASDAQ go. Look at the NASDAQ, look at the Qs go. Beautiful. John, I hope you long some NASDAQ there. NASDAQ is trading about 18. Market is never going down. 900 up 900 on gold. Good job, Rob. Rob, when are you gonna come join me, brother? Huh? You guys can text me 914-500-7484. Where am I buying gold? I mean Microsoft 13.
13 and 03. Offering at 45.
Yeah, TradeStation does not have XAU USD. That's
Okay.
spot gold, and they don't offer it.
Spot gold. Okay, that's why I can't get it. Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly why you can't get it. So they're saying just either use the futures or GLD or something like that, but it's not.
I tell them that all the time. I can't get XAU. I told them that. Okay, Nasdaq just trade up. Hello, brother. Hello, hello, hello. Is it me you're looking for? Alright, this HIMS right back. I would short this HIMS here, 58.20 up to 59.20. It's the biggest piece of garbage company I've ever seen in my life. Where am I shorting this Microsoft? 45 again?
Yeah.
Oh, it's garbage. What is that?
Those spiders. 15,
Where?
37, 15.
Alright. Cover 05. Hello, greetings from Chile. HIMS. Good job, Andy Property, up 635, long Tesla. Good job. What's up, everybody? How are you, everybody here?
So there is a confirmation.
Oh, by the way, August 5th on Tuesday night, we're going to be holding a live event here. The Asian session from greetings from Qatar. Hello, Zoe. We're going to do the Asian session from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I got so many people trading that session. MT5 terminal, so please tell me any proper indicators on how it works. You got to come to my website. I just don't give out my indicators to anybody, and I don't.
Yeah, and we also don't have them for MT5.
I don't use my indicators for MT5. It's on TradeStation.
Yeah, we got TradeStation, Ninja, TradingView,
And
also Steve.
VFF. Hello, GK. Hello, Only Johns from the UK. How are you, brother?
So yeah, it is all capital letter.
It is all capital, right?
Welcome 10 has to be all
Spiders
capital.
at 35. Afghanistan, how are you? Oh my God! Look at the S&Ps. Right at my number 6428. You got to be kidding me. Total Spiders at 15. What's my average price of Microsoft now?
Yeah, is 15.23.
Short more at 60. Cover Spiders at 25 and 20. Jesus Christ. Microsoft cover 23 and 20. Got to get a pullback here on a 15. Short Microsoft more at 70. Where's the stock going? How do you get my indicators? You got to come to sktrading.live, sktrading.live, and then you'll learn my indicators, okay? You'll learn my indicators. Greetings from India. Okay, it's not free. What's free? Free?
It's paid. It's paid. So we have several plans that include it. You could get the indicator standalone, or you could join the complete trader plan, and the indicators are included in that plan.
What's my average price on Microsoft?
It's 15.23.
Bid it there. Kmart does suck. You're 23 and 20, right?
I was just 23.
Bid 20.
Bid it there, so.
Bid 20.
Flat Microsoft.
Flat Microsoft? Oh, okay, good. All right. We'll focus on.
Just got spy
I can't hear you.
You got
Spiders, yeah.
25 and 20.
All right. Got to get these S&Ps to break. Jesus. Look at this oil. Oh, my God. What a beautiful pattern on oil. The 30s reverse to sell. You sell the first bounce on the 15 to 5. Oh, Lord. Oil just got caboosed. 36 cents. I do not look at XAU. Billy, can you tell people I don't look at XAU? I can't take it no more.
We should be able to hear you. Yeah, we don't. It's XAU. Trade Station doesn't have XAU, so Steve's not looking at it.
Today I lost on all my accounts. You're talking funded accounts? You guys should look at Legends Trading. You use the code SK, you get 70% off.
I think it's 80.
No, it's 70. You told me last night.
Okay, 70% off.
Short what? Paulie M, what's up?
It's a limited time offer.
Yeah, I don't understand. Please, I do not look at XAU before I have an aneurysm. S&Ps bid 25 and where am I bidding?
You're bidding 25
And 15.
15?
Yeah. Actually 25 and 20. How is this HIMS back up here? Short some HIMS at 45, 58, 45. How is this HIMS up there? Am I flat Microsoft? What?
Yes.
Short some Microsoft at 65. And then, what is that?
That was the spiders you covered, some at 25.
All right. Short some spiders at 65 and then 95. Microsoft, 65 and 95. Anthony, let's go. Is Anthony set up?
Yeah, he's all set up. He's waiting for you.
What am I waiting for? Just
He's doing
start
futures.
practicing.
Futures going.
I'm short, 25 and okay. All right. All right, if you need any help with anything, I hope people with funded accounts all the time. Okay, I have so many prop traders all around the world. I help them at night during the Asian session. Okay, short some spiders at 50 and 65. Okay, and I help people really pass. I have so many people who have many, many different funded accounts here. I'm so bearish, I can't even tell you. Short some Russell here at 224.20. 224.20. I like Legends, the Legends trading. You can use code SK. Sorry, code SK, you get 70% off. The Asian session is amazing. I have so many people that trade it. I'm going to give you a funded. I can't give you a funded account. You have to sign up. The Legends trading, I think it comes out to like $39 or something like that for the $25,000 account. NASDAQ just ran about 10, actually more than that, about 18, 15. I am bearish beyond belief. There are gaps below the market. I think the market is going to get absolutely kabooshed. Buy some Tesla at 17 for me. Whoa, what's the low here? Sorry, I took my eye off it. Buy Tesla 17.20. If it gets down there. Bull flag setting up here in Tesla on the 15-minute time frame. 30 is going to reverse to, oh my God, bull flags like crazy here in Tesla.
You're about to get the Russell.
No, it's 17.
The Russell, that you still wanted to short it at 20, 24.20.
Yeah, just cancel it. Tired of it. You're offering, okay.
Offering Microsoft, HIMS, and spiders.
Does the count work? Yes, absolutely. GBP, ready? Watch this. GBP USD, one of my favorite I used to trade all the time. Pound US dollar. Okay, what happened to this trade station here? Just completely GBP USD. Okay, you want to know why am I not getting Forex now all of a sudden? GBP USD. Bill, you want to know what's going on with my pound dollar?
I don't know. Let me see if I could get it.
Waiting for data. Wonderful. Oh, here's something. Here's a pound US dollar. This is a double red. Oh my God.
You probably haven't touched it in so long.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this beautiful short. The 15's a negative on the pound dollar. The 30's negative. Oh, this is a Picasso. Look at this. This is called a double red short. The 30 minutes negative. Okay. The 60 minutes negative. Oh my God. So this here, this is called a double red short. Okay. What's that, spiders?
Yeah, you covered the rest of the spider.
All right. Look at this. Look at this. You see this here? This is called, Billy, watch this. This is a double red short. The 5, you're in a negative trend on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. You short the first bounce on the 5-minute, the overbought. You could scale into the position. 134.35 up to 140. And look what the pound dollar did. Absolutely kabooshed, almost 20 pounds. That's called a double red short. Boom! S&P futures, I'll look to cover shorts between 23.5 and 26.5. Billy, that's a Picasso. Can you take a picture of that? All 3 time frames negative, and you take the first bounce on the 5. The 5 core. So a double red short has 2 meanings. One, you could be in a significant negative trend, like you see now. You see the MACD's negative, the ADXs are rising here, and whoever bought this, he jumped. Okay, so when you see this pattern here, okay, where the ADX is rising on the 60, look at the 30-minute, look at the ADX is rising, big selling pressure, and you get this big bounce here on the 5-minute. That's the strategy. You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Who's moving my stuff?
Me, because the screen halved again.
That's called a double red short. That's a monster pattern. Cancel my Microsoft. I don't like orders out there. Cancel my Tesla.
Yeah, I canceled your Tesla because it was running. I canceled spiders too because they were.
Cancel. Good. You have nothing working, right?
You got hints right now. That's it.
Short?
No, but you're.
So, Steve-
You're offering.
Oh my God, Hims! If you shorted the, how did I short the Hims? Cancel it. Hims just got kabooshed. Kmart does suck.
Flat everything. No open.
Short some Microsoft at 85 and 05. Where's the stock ever gonna stop going up? Hello, Anthony. Hello, my brother. Where's my P&L? Where's my shares?
Oh my God.
Somebody
I
ring the
apologize
bell.
for the screen keep unpinning. So yeah, so Steve, the
Yes.
70% discount brings that $25,000 account to $49.50 a month.
That's what I'm saying, for $49.50, and you link up 5-6 accounts with that. You make a couple $100 a day. If you have 5 accounts, right? You make $200 a day. That's $1,000 a day.
After the evaluation, of course. But yeah,
There's nothing to do here. So you're doing scalps right now, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing to do. You're scalping. I mean, literally, I'm watching paint dry right now. That's it. If you could make 10 handles a day on the S&P futures, that's unbelievable. Billy, you should take a picture of that of the of the pound dollar. All 3 time frames. Then the 5 is a double red short. S&P's
so 4 time frames.
15, no, the 5, 15, 15, 30 and hourly, and then you take a picture of the 5-minute double red with the bounce right here. That's beautiful.
That's 4 time frame.
Yeah, 4 time frame, sorry. S&P, are you short, Anthony? Should be covering here 26, 25 and a half. You just don't stand there like, watching paint dry. You got to be active. See, it just bounced. You have to have bids in. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let me show you this other pattern, okay? What is that? Microsoft. All right. Let me show you this other pattern. Let me show you Apple. Okay, this is a really, really high level. Okay, less is more, especially on summer Friday. Okay. So let me show you this other pattern here. I want to show you this pattern on Apple. Okay, and the way I look at the cell divergences, you can see here. This is the opening here, right? Or this is the push up. So you can see the MACDs are negative right here. Blue over yellow, blue over yellow. So, but you're in a buy disconnect. That means that 2 of the 3 time frames are in buy mode. Okay? Give me my answers. Okay, who are you talking to? Okay? And then look here. Here's the 5:15. This is a sell reversal, which means that there's probably 90% chance that the highs are in for the day. Okay, what is that?
Microsoft.
5 at 95. Where's this Microsoft?
Your average is 15.95.
Yeah. Some more at 595, 90. Okay. Some more at 25. Anthony, see what I'm saying? You got to be fast. See what I'm saying? When it dropped to 26, it just dropped like 3 handles, right? Okay. So here, when you see the so the 15s to reverse the sell, you have what's called a buy disconnect, right? 2 of the 3 time frames are in buy mode. Okay. 2 of the 3 time frames are in buy mode. Okay. And so basically what happens is when you see Microsoft here on the 5-minute time frame, I'm Apple reversing to sell with the negative MACDs. These are really great shorts here. Okay, great short patterns. Again, the MACDs are negative on the 15 and the 30 and the 60. Okay. What's my average on Microsoft?
Average is 15.95.
All right, sell another do 2 at 25. No, I can't see who's ever typing there, Billy. I can't see. These are MACDs. RHS will melt faces. What's my average?
16.10.
All right, 1610.
Yeah.
All right, buy 2 there and then 205.
Did you see that little pullback on the 5 on
The S&Ps?
US? Yeah.
Where?
I was looking at other symbols, so I didn't wasn't paying attention. Just taking a picture of
Urbanov says hi from Russia.
Who
pound
says?
dollar.
This guy up here, the Russian, says hi from Russia.
How? You speak Russian?
No, I translated.
What's my average? What am I short? 4?
400, yes.
What's my average?
16.
All right, we got to get a caboose. Is this market just going to go straight up here or what? Short more at 40.
200.
Yeah. Let's get some Bitcoin going here. What's that?
You know, you feel like, there you go. There's Microsoft. Your average is 16.20 for 600.
Buy half back at 20 and then 15.
So if you want to join, go to sktrading.live. Use the code WELCOME10, all uppercase. And you check out on sktrading.live, 10% off all plans, including the beginner course, live trading replays, the strategy breakdowns,
Sorry, man.
and a lot more to help.
Avago was a nice long there, double blue there. Nvidia dropping. Oh, look at this market. I was a penny away from covering. Can you believe it?
They know your numbers.
Yep. Let's see here. Short more at 65.
There you go.
What's my average?
1631 for 800.
Short more at 70. Cover half at 31. It gets down there. Hurry up is dropping. Then cover half at cover half at 31, and then the other half at 26. I was a penny away from covering. Jesus. Cancel the offer at 70. It's very slow day. Beyond slow day. What's my average?
1631.
You gotta speak a little louder. Somewhere at 75. How the fuck is this stock going? I have a 97 overbought reading. This is insane. 98 overbought reading. I'd be short this Microsoft. 516.50 to 518.
You made your goal, Alex. Make sure you post it in the wins and testimonials. Everybody who hits their goal, make sure you post.
What about Chotch? What's Chotch? Get my Microsoft offer. Oh my God, I had the perfect short in him. It's 58.40. Just dropped 90 cents. Good Lord God. Oh my God. I agree. What's Cheech and Chong?
Don't worry.
How's this Microsoft like this? I make my own. I have my own algorithm. That's what I go by. Indicator 4. I just don't use any any indicators. Short more at 75. I was penny away from covering. Can you believe it? Nvidia making new lows here. Nvidia. Make sure the bids are there.
There.
time is it? Oh my God, 2 o'clock. Can I go for 75?
You just got it.
What was my average now?
Your average is 40, 1640.
I cover it just cover everything there. Short more at 95. 300 at 95. Microsoft does not want to break.
Phil,
What's the average?
1653.
Short 300 more at 05. Or 08. Or 10, whatever, I don't care. What's my average?
Your average right now is 61.
What?
61. Yeah, 1500. 1661.
Short 500 at 20. Just cover everything at 61. Stock doesn't stop going up. $61's the average?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What a freaking piece of shit this Hims is. Let's cover everything at 61. Where's this Microsoft going? Who's buying this garbage up here? We're 97 overbought reading here.
That's the best way to do it, Aaron.
What?
He said he goes double blue, double reds. He's been immensely profitable.
Yeah, that's it.
Stay with the trends. It's the easiest way to do it. Don't buck the trend.
Well, that's what I'm doing now, Microsoft.
Well, but you also have a lot of experience, though.
Buy 300 at 71. Are you buying them here? Wait, yeah. There's 61, right? Buy 300 at 71, and then 1200 at hello?
Yep.
Are you in at 71?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, it just ticked 69. How'd you not buy it?
The order's in there.
It wasn't in
For
there.
a second.
Hmm?
It was not even there for a second.
You gotta be fast. My point. How do you not buy that? Jesus Christ, Michael. It was 69 bid when I told you to buy it. Hello?
Yeah, I had the order in there for a second. I don't know what to tell you.
There's 71 and then 61, right?
Yeah.
My Russell was a good short. Oh my God, somebody ring the bell here. My God. Buy some Qs at 80.
Still offering 500 at 20 on Microsoft.
Yeah. Buy some Qs at 20. 80, I mean.
Qs.
What?
I bought Qs at 80.
Alright, buy more at 65. They drop. Palantir getting crushed. Need this Microsoft to drop. What's that?
You have more Qs at 65.
Buy more at 50. What's going on with this Microsoft? I don't get it. Let me see where I am here today. What's that?
More Microsoft.
What's my average?
75 right now.
Alright, cover everything at 75. It's down there. Actually, yeah. I'm a short.
2000.
Try 500 more at 35. What's my average now?
87.
Alright. Cover everything at 87. Actually, cover how many are short?
25.
Alright, cover 1,000 at 97 and 1,500 at 87.
Yeah, S&Ps might be heading down here now.
I think the 15s are going to turn up.
Turn up?
Mm-hmm. S&Ps, I hope you covered your short. Okay. Yeah, there they go. Look at
Look at that.
Look at the 15s. 500 more at 50. How am I short?
25. You also got
What's my average now?
98.
Okay. Cover everything. Cover 1,000 at 08 and the balance at 98. Oh my God. For 500 more is 65. Oh my God, Tesla got smoked. You're 08, right?
Yep, 08 and then 98 for the balance.
Gotta be fucking kidding me on this Microsoft. What's the average?
98.
More for 65?
Yes, sir.
What's my average now?
1707.
So 500 more is 75. Cover 17. Actually, cover 27, 17, and then the 07.
T-Mark stuck.
27, right? 17.
I did 5, 1,000.
No, 1,000, 1,000, and then the balance at 07.
T-Mark stuck.
Stock's got to
T-Mark
drop.
stuck.
What's my average price?
07.
What's my average price on the Qs?
73.
We are?
73.
Just sell them there.
Can the bid.
No. I couldn't believe I was a penny away from covering everything. What's my average now?
Average is 16.
16?
17, 16. Yeah, for 4.
Short more at 90. 500 more. How many shares am I short?
4,000.
What's my average now? Oh, boom! Cover the Microsoft.
Yeah, you just covered.
Everything?
You got 500 more.
Just cover. Cover the short. What just happened?
You got 500 more.
Just cover the short.
Yeah.
Just cover the short. Wait, whoa. Where am I short? Just cover the Microsoft at 25. Hurry up. What the freak happened? Oh my God! It just dropped $1.50. I was short everything. I was short. Oh my God!
T-mark
Just leave the short. Leave it. Leave it. Where am I short? 90.
17, 16 is your average right now for 500. So.
All right, cover at 17.16 there. Okay. What the hell happened? Oh my God! Short some Microsoft at 90, 95, 90. Oh my God!
You still got the 90 offer out there.
I thought I sold that.
No.
Woo! With that, thank you, God. There goes the cues.
T-mark
Cover! Boom! Cover the Microsoft at 16.
Got it. Yeah.
What the hell happened? Just dropped like $1.80. You put the lime in the coconut. Cover the Microsoft at 16.
It's in there.
And first of all, why are you not covering it when you see it drop $1.50? Why are you sitting there like a robot? I'm short 7,000 shares. So you're like this. Maybe I should cover the. Hoo-ah!
T-mark
You bought them. Yeah, baby.
Yep.
Flat. That's trading, baby.
Yes, sir.
That's trading.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it, baby. Whew. What was the low on that print? 1575? Would have made about 13,000. What the hell came out?
That's crazy.
Fill the cool, Alan, my good buddy, fill the coolers. Phil, I love this game. Where is this thing? Can you put up the chart? And meanwhile, there goes the Qs. The Qs are going to turn up, Billy, on the 15th.
1690 right now.
What? Oh my God!
Yeah.
I knew it was going to drop.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, show like 8,000 shares up there. I knew it. I knew it was going to drop.
Michael.
Fill the coolers. Anybody long the queues here? 15s are going to turn up here. And the 30-minute. I'm telling you right now. Oh my Lord. What was the low on Microsoft? 16 what? 15. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Imagine. Holy mackerel.
What
What happened?
happened? I don't know. Restart. That's weird.
What? What happened?
His login information's not working.
I help him out. Am I flat Microsoft? Am I flat Microsoft?
You are flat.
Thank you. Holy mackerel, that was. Whew. Phew. The guy who
Bitcoin
bought.
going up too here. Look at
Huh?
that.
I told you the market's going to turn up on the 15th. That's why I said buy the Qs there. Qs just rallied 30 cents. S&Ps. Whew. Oh my God almighty. What was the low on that Microsoft here?
Crazy.
Oh my God, it would have been like 14, 15,000. What? It dropped $1.20, $1.70 like that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank God it went that way. Could have went straight up too, you know?
Yeah, we got some at 1701.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. That's what it filled us in as.
What, on the,
Makes sense. I'm looking at the log.
well, I had bids at 27.
So you made money on that.
I know, but I had 27, 17,
Yeah.
07,
Yeah.
and 97? I don't even know what I had.
97.
I need a cup of coffee or something. Alan, look at that long on the S&P. Look at him go, Alan. Who's that? AJ Rodriguez? Beautiful pattern. Oh, that Microsoft. Oh, yeah. Right, Anthony? Talking about. Wait, how'd you cover at 01?
That's what it filled us in as.
Oh, that was a fast market then.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Holy mackerel.
See, the enters went off at 15.
What was I short? 8,000 shares?
Yeah, like 4,000 before.
Oh my God almighty. Beautiful pattern on the Qs. Billy, you see this? What I'm showing you right here. Look at this, Billy. Too many Q. One too many Q. One, 2, 3, 4.
You missed it.
Again, I did it. I need.
First of all, it's only 3 Qs.
I know, but I got a big finger. 1, 2, 3. Look. See the 15-minute time frame right here? That's why I called a long, and that's why I said the Nasdaq futures. Beautiful long on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq just ran about 25. Look at this Microsoft right back up. Short this Microsoft at wait. Gotta wait. Oh my God! I bet the over under 63.80, 63.78, and 64.28. Look at the number 68.29. Who bet over? Who bet over? All I know is I was short Microsoft. Whoever came out with that news, I love you. Who bet over? Scott and Franny bet over? Good job, eh? Good job. You guys, this is what I'm saying. You see, he made $400, okay, on that beautiful pattern on the E-minis. First, we covered the short, got down to 24.5, and they just rallied 4.5, 5. This is what we do here every day. You try to make yourself anywhere between 10 handles, 10 handles a day. If you do that in real money, that's phenomenal. Imagine doing that with prop accounts with more than one account, right? Great job. All right?
Yeah, and the thing is, Steve, you make $400 a day. The small prop account.
No. But if you make $400 a day on 10 accounts, that's 4 Gs. I got guys who make 1,000, 3,000, 5,000 a day, right? This gold's going right back up. Let me see where this gold is. Okay, gold. I would short this gold here, 40 up to 43 against a 30-minute over. Well, you go 39.5 to 43. You got to get into this gold.
Yeah, right. But what I was saying is, for the prop account, you got to make $1,500 in 5 days. You do 4 days. You do 5 days. You beat that by $500.
Yeah, but if you make $500 a day on 5 accounts, right?
Oh, you're raking it in.
That's $2,500. That's 12.5. That's 50,000. That's 600,000 a year. And yet 90% of that. I'm telling you, everybody, just singles and doubles. That's all I do. Singles and doubles. Boom. I've batted 3 for a reason all the time. All right. I'm exhausted. How many hours left? That Microsoft. Oh, thank you, God. Where'd that come from? See, it pays to be a good person. That's why, Michael, I don't throw you out of my house yet. Because you're this close.
Yeah, and again, for anyone that's signing up for Legend,
Legends, you use the code SK.
Yeah, code SK. It's limited time. So go in, get your account for Legend.
Together.
You have to trade 5 days for the evaluation. You make 300.
No, more than 5 days.
Yeah, the evaluation, it's a minimum of 5 days.
No, I think it's more. You have a month.
No, but you have to trade a minimum of 5 days.
All I know is.
You can take as long as you want.
Did anybody short Hims at 58.40? Jeff, anybody short the Hims? How can anybody buy this hood up here? Oh my God, I'm exhausted from Microsoft.
Yeah, they don't let you pass. You have to trade at least 5 days to do the evaluation.
Somebody knows. I bet you somebody knows this Microsoft earnings coming out already. When are Microsoft earnings coming out?
Correct. That's right. That's right, Aaron.
5 days trading in 1 month. So wait. So let me understand this. You have 22 business days to pass the eval, or 5 days. I don't understand this.
You can't make $1,500 in 1 day. They don't allow that. You have to trade.
So what happens if you made $1,500 in 1 day, then you bought and sold the Michael the next 4?
Yeah, that's basically, you could do that.
Okay, there you go.
But you can't. They don't allow you to pass the evaluation until 5 days. You have to trade at least 5 days. Then you can pass. So, but think about that, Steve. That means you got to make $300 a day. 2 contracts. That's 3 points a day on 2 contracts. That's nothing. Well, that's a big account if you're trading 85 micros. I know that the small account lets you trade 4 minis or 40 micros. So you're probably talking about a bigger account. Yeah. Yeah, Apex is a little different from Legends. Like Apex uses your intraday high as your trail, whereas Legends uses your end of day. So whatever you did previous day, that's where your trail is. Apex will do your intraday. So if you go up 500 and then you pull back 2 and you're still up 300 for the day, they'll say that you're down. You've trailed out $200 or trailed down $200. Yeah.
It looks like they laid off 15,000 people. I don't see when their earnings are coming out. Can't seem to find
So
it.
yeah, they're a little different from each other.
But then they're still dealing with a lot of security issues.
You said it, Seth, not me. I'm not going to say things like that. Okay, so they only allow you 30. So did you see that, Steve?
What?
So they only allow you to use 30%. So if let's say you make $1,500 in a day, in one day, they'll only allow you to do 30% of that. So basically,
I'm not used to it. I trade live capital. I don't know. I don't even understand these rules.
well, no, it's because they want to make sure that you're consistent. That's what they want. They don't want you to nail one day. Just so how you said it goes, you make 1,500 a day, then you just go in and out one. They won't allow you to do that. They'll say, okay, you made 1,500. That today we're only going to allow you to use $450 of that towards the full thing. So you basically, if you make, yeah, so your max is basically 450 a day during the evaluation. After 450, you might as well not. You might as well stop because you could only hurt yourself after that point because you're not gaining anything. That's why 300 a day, be consistent, do your $300 a day, and you're good to go. 5 days, you're done.
These S&Ps go. Short some S&Ps here. Short some spiders here. 50, 55, and 65, and 75. If you short the gold, look to cover the gold here below the 38.5. Oh my God, SMCI. Jesus. On the 15. Oh my God. Coinbase. Oh. Anybody have any questions here? Anybody? Come in, Manila. Oh my God, can you imagine if I covered all that Microsoft near the lows? Oh my God, be up like 13,000. Just on that one trade. Not bad. Hi.
Yeah, so again, anyone who is new here, just use our code welcome10 all uppercase and check out sktrading.live. You get 10% off all plans if you're a new user, especially if you like what you're watching and hearing today. This is what we do every day here. Steve is on the live stream, usually from 9 to 4. Sometimes I fill in for him.
So look at this Tesla here. The 15 got deeply oversold here, got kabooshed. You got the deep oversold. When the algo reverses the sell, there's an 85% chance that the highs are in for the day. So whoever bought Tesla at 323.63, he jumped. Okay? The 30 and 60 minute time frame look like they're going to turn up here. Again, oversold on the 15 into the positive MACD. This is a beautiful bull flag. Look at Tesla go. I took my eye off because Tesla just ran about 3.
Microsoft earnings come out July 30th.
I didn't cover it. I had bids in there on Microsoft all the way down, and I don't know. I looked over and I saw a pencil down. I thought it was a bad tick, but it was right. That's a cabooshin. This Tesla was a great long here. I took my eye off it for this crazy. This is the little mini bear flag. Wow, what a long. Anybody get that long down there? Michael Sweeney, anybody? London. Pick up, London, I'm calling you. I wouldn't. Sorry about that today. How are you, brother? You all right, man? Where you living, brother? Why don't you spend
I'm not sure about what you need to hit before you can withdraw on Legends. I know the rules for passing, kind of know the rules for passing the evaluation. I don't know much beyond that. I should probably talk to them at some point since we have I don't know what the proper term is, affiliation deal, something like that with them, and ask them to send me some documentation so I know the rules so I can explain it to you guys when you have the questions. But usually, and if your evaluation is 1500, I would think that the live is the same, but then you want to go over that. So you got to make 1500 and then some, I would think, before you can get the payout. That's because I'm pretty sure that's how Apex does it. You have to, the evaluation and the funded are, I think it's the same target. John, if you're listening to me, text me and tell me if I'm right or
Oh my
wrong
God,
on
I'm
that.
exhausted.
But I think you have to, you hit the same number, then you got to go beyond before you can withdraw, because otherwise they'll count that against your trail. I also don't know if Legends, if their trail ever stops.
I don't know
So
anything about this. All I know is one time I made $10,000 and I lost 3,000, and they stopped me out. I'm like, "What are you stopping me out for?" I called the owner. He says, "Oh no, you can't lose 30% of the day." I go, "I still got $7,000." He goes, "Oh no, oh
that was through
no, I
Apex.
can't take it no more." What?
That was Apex.
Legends, and then I went back and I made it back like in the next hour. I'm exhausted, Anthony.
Yeah, they do. They have an intraday trail that says that
Yeah, but you have seven.
lose,
If you're up 10 and you lose 3, you're still up 7. No, that's real money to me. I mean, but
I agree with that.
I don't
I
know.
agree.
They're
I
telling me
agree
I'm
with that,
crazy.
but I know that they may not, because their concern might be like, "Hey, are you even paying attention to what
No,
you're
they
doing?"
don't. They don't. They said that's the rules. Anybody new here, you can text me at 914-500-7484. What do I think of gold? I think gold's is short. All right. If the 15's reverse to buy here on the GLD, the lows are in for the day.
Yes, Fran, you have to do it twice. Once is the evaluation, and then this, which is then making sure that you're not getting lucky or something, and then they want to see you do it again to make sure that you're consistent. So they start you back at 0. You have to hit a threshold. Then after you hit the threshold, you can withdraw. They all operate that way.
I'm gonna need a cup of coffee. What is that?
Expired offers.
I short them?
No.
You cancel them?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Thanks,
I said no, I don't take it no more. I'm tired of waking up on the floor. Come on, give me a over under. Hugo, you could do that, Hugo. Enough is enough.
Now, Hugo, that's Apex or Legends? Okay. I want to say that Apex is similar to that. Yeah, I think the 2750 for Apex is only for the first 3 months, and then after that you could withdraw. Yeah, it's extraordinarily similar, but I think the difference is Legends is end of day, whereas
I think he's right. Yeah.
is
What
not.
strategies I use? I use my own proprietary algorithm, my own combination methodology. I use 3 multiple time frames. A lot to. Oh my God! What a bear flag on oil. Oh Lord, 15 on oil. First bounce on oil. Beautiful. Look at this. See this way you. Oh man, what a bear flag on Tesla. Jesus. If you look here on the USOs, you see the USOs, the underlying ETF, the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell here on indicator 4. It correlated now with a negative trend with the 30, and it correlated with the 15 right here. So that's a beautiful bear flag on oil. That's the bear flag. Oil went from 65, like 45 all the way down. And after the 60-minute reverses to sell, you short the first bounce on the 5. Look at that, 96. And oil, so oil dropped right here. You can see oil on the same identical pattern. After the 60-minute reverse to sell, you short the oil right here, 25, and it just dropped, about 17 cents on oil. Great short there on crude oil. There goes Microsoft right back up. Somebody must know this Microsoft earnings. Jesus, Lord God. Yes, sir. So the strategies I use based upon combination methodology. Can you believe the S&P is trading right where my under is? Oh my God, somebody ring the bell. Anthony, you okay, Anthony?
Yeah,
What's the matter?
no, everything's fine. My old boss had a question on that,
I do not do anything with trendline trading or support and resistance. If you want to learn my methodology, you come to my live stream every day, sktrading.live, and that's that. Okay. What are you doing for the weekend? I'm just gonna chill out.
Yeah, you have to, they're far down.
I need a drink though tonight.
Oh,
To get it. Please smile. Hi. Oof. Oh my God. That Microsoft was a gift. Oh my Lord. I'm doing okay, Anthony. Anthony Gomez? I think I know you, right? He sounds familiar from the past. So then join SKTrading.live.
Right, and use the code WELCOME10 for a 10% discount.
I'll teach you PBG captcha. Are you
Monday
tired?
through Friday.
Huh? Are you
They're asking if
tried?
it's every day.
It's every
So-
day. Every day I stream from 9 to 4.
If the U.S. market is open, Steve is generally here.
Except for this next Friday and then following Monday, I think I'm going to take a little 2-day vacation.
Also, there's going to be nothing going on next Friday?
No, you're going to fill in for me.
I'm not. I'm out next week.
Oh, next week?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. All right, then you got to fill. Maybe Friday we'll just call. I'll put who? Mark Patterson. I'll put Mark Patterson in charge. No, maybe just take a day off because I haven't had a day off since. Well, I don't even know the last time.
Tell Michael he's streaming on Friday.
Huh?
Michael, you're streaming on Friday.
No, Michael's not streaming on Friday. Absolutely not.
I'm not ready.
Absolutely not.
I can't do it.
Absolutely not.
You know what?
Absolutely not. Right, Dave? No way. Mark Franz? No way. No way. I'll carry this. Next Friday's on-farm payroll. I'll be on a flight to Costa Rica. No way. Oh my God.
I mean, it's the first of the month.
Short some Russell at 35. Or 36. 37. Go to 37. Go 36. Bing! So 36s?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh my God. Tesla got kabooshed.
Oh, 6,600 by next Friday?
6,600? No.
That's what an investigator's saying right there.
Dave?
Yeah, Steve will be posting.
How to learn trading basic to advanced? Well, you got to start somewhere. Short more at 50.
You'll be doing TikToks and Instagrams from the beach, right,
No,
Steve?
I'm not. I'm not going anything. If you trade a collab trading with Linda Rotsky, that would be no comment. Short some of this AMD at 1705. What a balance. Hello from India. Hello. My God, is it dead? Oh wow, MSTR kabooshed. You want me to give you $1,000? Okay. How about somebody give me two? I give you 1,000. You give me back 1,000. Michael, do you trade with liquidity of price action? Michael does not trade with anything. Why is the market dead? It's summertime. Nobody cares. Cover some of this Russell here at 30.
They said it's Friday afternoon. People are already getting ready to go on vacation for the weekend.
Nobody cares.
Oh, someone's asking about Euro USD. Is that similar to
EUR USD? Yeah, you
pound
can.
dollar? Are they trading?
No, it's
same-
yeah,
same
it's a,
pattern?
it's a currency here. Bottom.
Covered IWM.
EUR. So my software works on currencies as well, but it's going to be quiet here now. All right, the euro reversed to buy on the 15, so that means that the lows are probably in for the day. 30 is probably negative right? On 30, just flip positive. Okay, 60, still negative. All right, so on the way I would play the euro dollar here, you wait for a pullback, positive MACDs, you wait for a pullback, and then you wait, let's see here, let's see the 5 minute. You wait for a nice pullback here. You want this oscillator to get somewhat oversold into the positive MACD, ADXs are off, and then another push up. That's how I look at it. Monday market bullish, 800 points. So if there was any kind of trading or any structure that you were working, I don't understand the questions. Oh my God. Somebody ring the bell. Boom. Somebody ring the bell. Boom. So your total screens look. So your total screens. What do you think I got? 3, 6, 9, 12. Wait. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 27, 30, 30, 33, 36, 39, 41, and I still need about 18 more.
Plus the 3 in front of you and the 1 behind you.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't care about that.
Or the 1 behind you.
I need a total of 60 because I can't look at the bigger time frames. How did you trading with what strategy?
But what do you? He wants to know what your strategy is. So just explain.
Strategy is based upon combination methodology, using 3 time frames, using my algorithm, and using everything based upon. I have 5 conditions in the market: a trend, a buy reversal, sub reversal, correlation, and this. Did I short AMD?
Yes, you did.
What price?
05.
Short more at 15. It'd be nice to tell me that.
I did tell you this.
I didn't hear anything.
I did.
Don't talk back.
Just letting you know. You want to cover 90?
No. So more at 15. I didn't even hear the thing go off.
Yeah, because it happened right when you got out of Russell.
So basically the way you start by doing paper trading first, okay? You go paper trading first, and if you're going to trade futures, then you go to cover even. And then you go paper trading first, and then you go micros, and then you go big ones. Look at the Russell drop. Piece of garbage. Look at this Microsoft right back up. Oh, Russell. You never short a dull market, right? AMD non-confirmation, absolutely making new highs, non-confirmation. Cover 05. Tired of this.
T-mark set.
Bought them?
There you go.
Where'd you buy them?
05.
I thought so 15, 25, and 35. Live screen bad quality, Billy? That's what it's saying?
Every now and then your screen goes blurry for like a couple of seconds and then it comes back. I don't know what's causing that. It could be the internet. It could be the computer.
Combination of both.
I should then do a GoFundMe. I'll do a Go. Look at this, Microsoft. You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, because are you on building internet like you use what the building has or no?
I have no idea.
He is, yeah. It goes through the building.
Yeah. So their internet may not be like you need a dedicated.
Fiber.
Yeah, exactly.
Fiber line.
Okay, then good. Call Verizon, call somebody, dig up the lines, dig up the streets. Invest $1 million.
They'll have it where you are. They'll have something better.
What am I offering
Yeah.
this AMD? 15 and 25 and 35? I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Can the Russell at 50?
Yes. Ding dong. GEV. What does this company do, GEV? I have a friend of mine short 200 points lower. Oh my God. What does this company do? This thing's got to be shorted.
It's an energy equipment manufacturing and service company in Cambridge.
What's the reason for educating others? Why not? Why not? If people can do better and they can learn from me, oh my God, look at this Coinbase, this piece of garbage. Oh my God, beautiful pattern on the SMCI. Why not Moon and Sun 88?
Gas turbines to
I
power
don't-
plants.
I don't-
Okay. Sold out for 2 years. Jeez.
Oh my God, look at this AMD drop. Oh my God. Cancel my AMD offers.
T-Mark set.
XRP, I guess. Oh my God. We got non-confirmations here. S&Ps, I take a short here. 30 and 31 up to 36. MACDs are non-confirming here. AGXs are rising. Gold, the GLDs reversed to buy, so I would short this gold here again, 39.5 to 41.5, 42.5. Microsoft right back up. Oh my God, AMD. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, man. All right. I need a cup of coffee. Oh, short this Microsoft again. 518.30. $518 for Microsoft. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, Microsoft, cancel it. Damn, it just dropped on the sell divergence. Damn it! Just dropped 60 cents. Damn it! Had the right idea.
Just a reminder, gonna end in about 10 minutes.
What happened?
It's almost 3.
my God, Microsoft. Come on. Jesus. Where was I offering on this Microsoft? 35?
Yeah,
Damn it. 30 or 35?
15, 25, 35. Or no, that was Andy, so it's 30.
I missed it by a penny. You gotta be kidding me. That's why I hate these pennies. Look at the Russell get kabooshed. Were you short Microsoft? It got up to 29. Look at it right here. Look at this. 518.29, Aaron.
Oh, that was a good scalp short, Alex. I thought you were done for the day.
Microsoft? I set to short the S&Ps at 31. Never
Yeah,
got there.
he took a scalp short.
It got to 31?
Oh, I don't know where. He took a scalp short somewhere. Maybe
30 and a half.
Got to 30 and a half.
Yeah.
Just also a reminder, Steve's going to be live on August 5th for the Asian session, 8 to 10 p.m. He'll be looking at setups live, S&P, NASDAQ, gold, oil. So make sure you're there. It's going to be a free session on the social medias, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, real time. And it's all about helping traders spot the real opportunities. So just make sure you got your reminders set to join them live. Again, you could tune in on all the social media channels. You could also catch Steve on his podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly,
The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly.
every day, almost every day, not on weekends. Days when the market's open. Oh, you traded that in a Legend account?
AMD drop?
Yes, you. I was talking to you, Alex. You said you weren't fully funded.
I've been writing over 2,000 algos in 2.5 years. This is same algo, just different time frames. How interesting. What's he saying? I've been writing over
So what he's doing is he's doing algos basically on maybe one time frame, but you're doing it on different ones, doing the same thing. Because so the way that I explain it to people, Steve, when I'm teaching them, is that the higher time frame is what it's telling you. Do I want to go long? Do I want to go short? Whatever. The shorter time frame is
based on
telling you
combination
when.
methodology.
Right, but if that's the combination, the higher time frame is the what, the shorter time frame is the when. What I want to go long, when? Well, here's where I'm going to get in. So the shorter time frames, you're using that to time your entries better on the pattern that what you're doing on the longer stuff. Ah, okay. Ah, I see. I'm sure if you called it up and said, "Hey, I want to put a whole big pile of cash," they'd go, "Oh, how could we help you do that?"
All right, Billy, we got about 2 minutes left here. Lithuania, hello. And again, if anybody wants to join me here, sktrading.live. Also, August 5th, look out. We're going to be doing a live event from 8 to 10. The Asian markets, a lot of people trade that market. Look at Apple making new lows here. Oh my God, Tesla got absolutely kabooshed. Can you imagine Tesla's down $9 off the high here? This stock is finished and broken. Right, Anthony? I know Linda. I think she's somewhat retired. I don't really know where she is now. I do know her husband, Damon. I just, for me, I think she's doing her horses. I think she's down here in Florida. I can reach out to her husband, but I don't know. Maybe I'll think about it. Katrina Daniels is a really endearing friend of mine. Carolyn Broden's a very good friend of mine. Katrina and I just spoke about it a couple of weeks ago. Okay. S&P's breaking here. I knew that was a sell divergence up there. Just dropped 3 handles here on the E-minis. Again, you're making new highs. The MACD's on the 5 non-confirmation. All right, it's 3 o'clock, Billy. All right, I want to wish everybody have a great weekend. God bless you. Remember, be safe. And we're here at sktrading.live. If you ever want to come and join me, that's my website, sktrading.live. Also, my podcast, I'm exhausted. My podcast is The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, every night at 6 p.m. Please watch it. I thank you for this time. If anybody wants to text me or be part of this, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Well, Moon and Sun, yeah, I'm happy to talk to you or happy to come on board. Katrina Daniels is a very good friend of mine, and so is Carolyn Broden, and I do know Linda. I haven't spoken to her in more than a decade, but I think she does live here in Florida. But we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, and if you want to keep learning, connect with other traders. You can ask Steve questions directly, or even myself, join the Discord community. One of the best places to stay in the loop, especially during the trading hours. Again, you visit sktrading.live for the courses, updates, live sessions. Use the coupon code WELCOME10 if you are a new user, right? It's not a sprint. You're not going to, make yourself wealthy overnight. It's a journey. It's going to take time to learn things. So thanks for being a part of today's session. For the social media users, it's not about trading more, it's about trading smarter. So we're going to do this again in 2 weeks, Steve? Because
I don't know.
neither of us are here next Friday.
Yeah.
So it'll be 2 weeks. So, all right.
All right, well, everybody, thank you, everybody. God bless you. Okay, and God bless the United States of America. Be well, everybody. Thanks, Bill.